All right, so I got a question from a friend, and he said, yo, Van, I guarantee you, you cannot find a double-breasted blazer, but it must stand out in some type of way. Some type of way. Well, I literally have been to 2 other Goodwills, and we are currently at the 3rd one. And the reason why you didn't see my previous 2 is because I simply did not find anything in the other 2. And honestly, I was skeptical about even shooting this. So I'm starting shooting now. I just have a feeling. You know, I don't have a feeling. I know I'm going to find something in this one right here. So just follow your boy. Let's see what we can find. Oh my God! This joint is way too big. Yo, this isn't double-breasted, but I like it. What y'all think? Y'all like that color? But we came in here for one reason and one reason only. A specific double-breasted blazer. Haven't found it yet. Let's keep looking.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Tell you one thing, man, this would have been perfect for doggone Valentine's Day. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find any pants in here that I can match up with this, so let's see how much this bad boy costs in. I really want that green one though. I really want this. We're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. We're just gonna leave. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna try to shop smart. Only get one item. Let's hold on. Let's take a look at the pants. I doubt I find any over here. Like no luck. Absolutely no luck. Let's see how much this gonna tally up to. One thing also, make sure they always have a tag on them, because I see you people saying you getting it from the Goodwill, but y'all don't have that tag on it. Let's get to it. Trip wasn't too bad. I got exactly what I wanted. I told you this third place, 3rd time's always a charm. Trust me, it's always a charm. I was a bit unfortunate that I did not, get those pants to kind of complement the blazer, but I got the blazer for under $6 as the receipt will pop in right there. So under $6, so you know you never complain when you can walk out with a piece like that, and you know you don't even have to break a 10. Well, you don't have to spend a full 10. But anyway, man, we're gonna have to go home. We're gonna have to do some tremendous work to that, because double-breasted blazers must fit pristine if you want to pull them off. So let's get to it.